So before we purchased the SmartMill lug loader, we had a legacy system where the operator basically had to touch every piece to make sure there weren't any cross-ups, and it was very hard on him physically, and it was causing a lot of downtime. And after we put in the SmartMill lug loader, that problem went away. He's no longer touching any pieces for the most part, and our lug fill percentage has gone up into the 90% to 99% range. We would highly recommend working with SmartMill and purchasing their lug loader. It has been a great decision for our mill and allowed us to set the entire operation up for success for the next 20 years.